Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well and have had a great week, great month, great year. My past 2 weeks have been super busy. I had 3 different exhibitions and I thought I would just show some short video clips and photos of the 3 different ones for you. I had so much fun. I met loads of wonderful people, wonderful connections, and the style of art, the variety of art was mesmerizing. I enjoyed every minute. As you will see on the first few clips, the exhibition flowed from like a kind of a room to a walkway to a marquee tent, and that was actually over 3 days that whole exhibition was running. The second one was held on a Sunday, and that was in a hired venue. That was interesting in itself as well, the way they displayed the paintings, and again the level of artwork was just phenomenal. And the last few clips that you will see in photos, that was held on a Saturday evening, and that included some food and wine and live music as well. There are many ways for exhibitions to be held, but at the end of the day it's the artwork that counts. And that is what I've been keeping myself busy with the past 2 weeks. And something else that I would like to share with you guys, I've got a Patreon page now as well as a Redbubble one. So if you guys are interested in ordering anything that I've got available at the moment, go check out my Redbubble. And if you would like to support me, please go check out my Patreon page. There will be links somewhere on the video as well as below. Thank you guys for all your comments. Thank you for all your views. Thank you for all your support. I do appreciate it, and I hope to get some new videos out soon. Take care and keep on painting. Bye bye.